the latest news from the financial markets around the globe presented by FX, a multi-award-winning Forex broker.
Oracle stock fell about 6.6% on Thursday, closing at $210.69, driven by investor concerns over insider selling and skepticism about Oracle's cloud and AI growth ambitions. The UK stock market index rose 0.4% on Thursday, after 5 days of losses, lifted by oil-linked names and the defensive sector. Brent crude oil futures fell below $63 per barrel on Friday, declining for the third session and setting up a weekly loss, after Volodymyr Zelensky signaled willingness to pursue peace talks. The euro traded at around $1.15 on Friday, its lowest level in roughly 2 weeks, weighed down by a stronger dollar, as traders reduced expectations for a Fed rate cut in December. Bitcoin dropped to around $85,500, as miners sold off roughly $172 million worth of BTC, adding heavy selling pressure. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 1:30 p.m., the retail sales in Canada are expected to decrease, after reaching 1% in September. At 3 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index of November, following 59.8 in October. Monday's major economic events. At 9 a.m., Germany to release the Business Climate Index for November, following 88.4 in October. At 3:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Dallas Manufacturing Index of November, following -5 in October.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup, presented by FX. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.